What's up, everyone?
Welcome back to the channel.
If you're into crypto, you're in the right place because today's video, we're talking about a huge event that could be coming up for Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. That's right, we're talking about the historic pump that's incoming. Could this be the best month for crypto we've ever seen? Let's break it down. Section 1. The current market overview. Before we dive into what's coming, let's quickly take a look at where Bitcoin and the crypto market stand right now. Bitcoin has been showing some serious strength lately. After months of sideways action, we've seen a noticeable increase in its price, especially with Bitcoin nearing that key psychological level of $100,000. But it's not just Bitcoin. AltCoins are also seeing some impressive gains. Ethereum, for instance, has been moving up steadily, and even smaller tokens are riding this wave of bullish sentiment. So, why is everyone suddenly so bullish? Well, there are several factors at play, and a lot of analysts are predicting that Bitcoin's next move could be a historic pump that we haven't seen in years. Section 2. The halving effect. One of the most significant events that could trigger this pump is the upcoming Bitcoin halving. Now, for those who are new to crypto, the halving is when the reward for mining new Bitcoin blocks gets cut in half. This has happened every 4 years, and historically, it's been followed by massive price increases. The last halving, which took place in 2020, led to the 2021 bull run. So, as we approach the next halving in 2028, Bitcoin is starting to enter the pre-halving price surge phase. And a lot of people are predicting the same kind of price action as we saw in 2017 and 2021. Section 3. Institutional adoption and mainstream attention. But it's not just the halving. There's also a major factor driving this pump: institutional adoption. Over the last year, we've seen big players like MicroStrategy and Tesla doubling down on Bitcoin. And it's not just about buying it and holding it. We're talking about companies integrating Bitcoin into their business models, allowing customers to pay with Bitcoin, and even launching Bitcoin ETFs. And it doesn't stop there. Countries like El Salvador have officially adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. As more nations and businesses get involved, Bitcoin is starting to gain more mainstream legitimacy, which could lead to an influx of capital flowing into the market. We're talking billions in fresh institutional money, and that could trigger the pump we've all been waiting for. Section 4. FOMO and retail investor interest. And let's not forget about retail investors. When Bitcoin starts moving up, people start paying attention. Retail FOMO, fear of missing out, is real, and it often leads to mass buy-ins. The more Bitcoin rises, the more people are going to want in, driving even higher demand. This cycle could lead to one of the biggest pumps we've ever seen, and that could set the stage for Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs. As Bitcoin crosses key price levels, expect people to start talking about it more, sharing it on social media, and posting about their gains. FOMO is a powerful force, and it could absolutely fuel this potential historic pump. Section 5. Risks and challenges. Now, of course, we can't ignore the risks. While the bulls are excited, there are always challenges that could slow things down. First off, regulatory pressure is still a major concern. Countries like China and India have fluctuated on their stance toward crypto. And then there's the US, with the SEC looking to crack down on certain crypto projects. Plus, we've seen corrections in the past, where a sharp price drop comes out of nowhere, causing panic among investors. So, while the potential for a historic pump is there, it's important to keep in mind that volatility is part of the game. Section 6. What's next? So, what's next for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market? Well, it's clear that we're in a very exciting time. With the halving cycle approaching, increased institutional interest, and retail investors jumping in, the stage is set for a massive move. Whether or not this ends up being the best month ever for crypto remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure, the market is primed for something big. Are we about to see a historic Bitcoin pump?
Only time will tell.
But if you're in crypto, buckle up because the ride could get even crazier. Keep an eye on those price levels, and make sure you're prepared for whatever happens next. Alright, that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto updates. Let me know in the comments, Do you think Bitcoin is about to pump, or is this all just hype? I'll catch you in the next video.